Please pause this video now to read my disclaimer.
Hi, I'm Eugenio. In this video we're going to look at what I expect the market to do in the week commencing the 21st of February. We're looking at Bitcoin versus USD, so let's move straight in. We're now going to look at the chart as if it is the 5th of January, so that we can see the movement over the last number of weeks to get a feel for what the market is actually doing and analyzing the graph. So let's start. Here we go. So the first thing that I can see is that the support level at 40,582 was breached on the 5th of January, for price then to move down to 40,508, where price found support. This level of 40,508 was not breached at this point, and this just goes to show how important it is to have your support lines and resistance lines drawn up in your chart. But let's move on from here and see what is occurring. What happened here was that, first of all, price found resistance at this level because it went back to 44,582. Then it moved down towards the support level at 40,508. That initially held, but eventually it gave way through this candle, as you can see. That meant that we have now got a lower low in price, and that was at 35,110. Again, another support level. So again, the importance of having your support levels drawn up in your charts, because it then becomes quite predictable where you can see stagnation in the market. Okay, so we've got our lower low at 35,110. Let's swiftly move on. Price moves back up, and we now have resistance at 40,508, and that is breached right here, for price then to move up as high as 44,582. So what we can see is that price tried to go across the resistance line at 44,582. It did not happen here. It tried it again here, and it didn't happen either, so price was rejected. But what we do see here is that we've got a slightly higher close on price than this one. So it closed here on that one, and on this one it closed just slightly higher. And what we can see here on the RSI, that we've got a lower low in the RSI. So we've got a lower low in the RSI, or a higher close in price. That means that we've got standard bearish divergence. Okay, so let's see what the market is doing from here. As I said, because of this standard bearish divergence, I expect the price to move down from here. Okay, so what we saw happening was that indeed price did go down. Resistance held here. We then had the first indication that price would come down because of the bearish divergence. We then had a big red candle which found support at this level at 40,508. It did not hold on Friday. It breached the support level. Yesterday we only had a small candle, and today we have seen price go down as far as 38,244, a little bit more in fact. So what does this mean? Now, to me, this means that we're going to see a head and shoulder pattern, and I shall just draw this up. So I go to head and shoulders. So the down started here, and I will take it from this level at 44,582 or somewhere around here. Price came down here, it closed on this level. Then price went back up as high as here, and now I expect for it to be a typical head and shoulder pattern, and that means that I expect that we're going to get a lower low in price, probably somewhere around here to close, for it then to move back up here, perhaps a little drop again, something like this, and then price will get back to this resistance level at 44,582. Just to show you that, again, we've got the neckline drawn along this resistance line, and that seems quite accurate because we came down in price for the left shoulder down here, went back up to the neckline, and in my opinion it is now forming the head for price then to go back up, down a bit again, and this will be interesting to see what price is going to do here. I expect that once we've had a lower low in price and hopefully a higher low in the RSI, I expect for price then to indeed move up, and hopefully it will break this resistance line eventually. So my prediction for Bitcoin USD for the week commencing the 21st of February is that it will go down. I expect it to form a head and shoulder pattern. We're going to get a lower low, and I expect that the price level will move down as far as it probably closes round about this level. You might see a wick that finds support at 29,819. If you like this video, please click the like, subscribe and bell button. You will then be reminded of new videos becoming available. Thank you very much for watching.